Welcome everyone, I'm Jake, this is Cobra Sport and we're back for another development rollout day. With more KDM greatness from the Hyundai i30N, let's get into it and see what Cobra Sport's development team have managed to produce. The i30N really put Hyundai on the map, especially when it comes to hot hatches, whereas the likes of Volkswagen and Ford can be slightly diluting our hot hatch offering. Seems Hyundai know exactly what the kids want, giving us fun, aggression, just enough practicality to make it livable. Moving swiftly on to the fun stuff, let's have a quick look at the exhaust system. Similar to our i20N setup, we're offering a full catback and GPF back systems. It must be mentioned, however, that the catback does include the flex section and the GPF delete, of which the GPF delete is illegal for road use. So, if your Hyundai is going to be hitting the roads, we recommend the GPF back. As you can see here on the GPF back system, we have a very strategically placed back box, just off to one side, which keeps the functionality of the OEM valve in place. This delivers a very crisp, aggressive tone when the valve is open, and a nice soft burble when the valves are closed. And to finish the system off with a selection of 4.5-inch tailpipes, 3 variants of steel options including a jab can and an inward roll tip, and also the obligatory carbon option. So we've seen what the systems look like, probably time we had a quick listen to see what they're sounding like. First off with the GPF back system, which is the one recommended for road users. And now let's take a listen to what extra sound the GPF delete and the flex section offer to the Cobra Sport system. Now, as mentioned, this setup is illegal for road use and purely for the track animals, as it will not pass an MOT. So how does the sound of the GPF back Cobra Sport system translate into the real world? Quite simply put, fantastically. When you're cruising about town and the exhaust gases are being directed through the silencer, you've just got a nice deep rumble, lets everyone know your exhaust's been upgraded but isn't going to upset anybody at the same time. Now with the use of that valve functionality, as soon as your right foot gets a little bit heavy, got all the extra Cobra Sport sauce you could need to have plenty of fun with it. And there you have it, the Cobra Sport systems for the Hyundai i30N with catback and GPF back options. As always, if any of the terminology mentioned today doesn't quite make sense, head over to YouTube and search Exhaust Talk, where we answer your questions on our exhausts. Alternatively, get in touch with the office and we'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for tuning in, until next time.